Hook, have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you open a Monzo account? Do they really check everything about you before letting you join their digital banking revolution? Let's dive in and find out. Intro. Imagine you're applying for a job. You'd expect them to check your qualifications, experience, and maybe even give you an interview. But what about a digital bank like Monzo? Do they really need to know as much about you as a traditional bank? The basics, KYC and AML. The first and most crucial checks Monzo does are KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, Anti-Money Laundering. These are standard procedures for any financial institution, and they are essential for preventing fraud and money laundering. KYC, this involves verifying your identity. Monzo will typically ask for proof of ID, such as a passport or driving license. They might also ask for proof of address to confirm where you live. AML, this involves monitoring your transactions for suspicious activity. Monzo uses sophisticated software to detect unusual patterns that could indicate money laundering. Beyond the basics, credit checks. While Monzo is often seen as a more accessible bank, they still perform credit checks on some customers. Here's why. Overdrafts. If you're applying for an overdraft, Monzo will likely check your credit score to assess your ability to repay the borrowed funds. Loans. Similar to overdrafts, Monzo will assess your creditworthiness before approving a loan. Certain products. In some cases, Monzo might require a credit check for specific products or services, such as joint accounts or higher spending limits. The importance of credit history. Your credit history plays a significant role in Monzo's decision-making process. A good credit score can improve your chances of getting approved for products and services, while a poor credit score might limit your options. Alternative checks, behavioral data. Beyond traditional credit checks, Monzo might also consider behavioral data. This could include spending patterns. How you spend your money can provide insights into your financial habits. Transaction history. Monzo can analyze your transaction history to identify any red flags or suspicious activity. Online behavior. Your online behavior, such as social media activity, can sometimes be used to assess your risk profile. The human touch, fraud prevention. While technology plays a crucial role in Monzo's checks, human experts are also involved. Fraud prevention teams monitor accounts for suspicious activity and may intervene if necessary. Data privacy and security. Monzo takes data privacy and security very seriously. Your personal information is protected by advanced security measures, and Monzo is committed to complying with data protection regulations. FAQs. Can I open a Monzo account with a bad credit history? It's possible, but your options might be limited. Monzo may offer alternative products or services that don't require a credit check. How long does it take for Monzo to verify my identity? The verification process can vary depending on the documents you provide and the volume of applications. However, Monzo aims to complete verification as quickly as possible. What happens if Monzo suspects fraudulent activity on my account? If Monzo detects suspicious activity, they may contact you to investigate. In some cases, they may temporarily freeze your account. Conclusion. So, does Monzo really do extensive checks on its customers? The answer is yes, but the nature and extent of these checks can vary depending on the product or service you're applying for. Monzo is committed to providing a secure and accessible banking experience, and their checks are designed to protect both you and the bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.